How's it going, everyone? When I was trying to figure out how to put this bloody over the door mirror together, I managed to misplace this packet of screws here. So if you've done what I've done, this packet of screws might be sitting somewhere else around your lounge room. Anyway, once you find it, it's pretty easy. Get the screws, get your screwdriver, and just screw in these things on here on the back. Put them as high or low as you want, and then you should be good to go. Yep, so that goes on fine. Pro tip, if you want to stop it from flapping all over the place when you open the door, just chuck a bit of blue tack on either corner there. That'll stop it from moving around. The other thing is, my old housemate used to have one of these mirrors, and the bloody metal part there always like scraped up against the wood whenever he opened his door. And it just made this annoying ass sound. So fucking annoying every time he opened his door. Anyway, the solution to that one is really easy. Just grab a bit of WD, spray it on top of that metal bit there, and then that'll stop it from pissing everyone off in your house. So there you go.